I love when the leaf seems proud in the high, small branch, and the nightingale gets busy under the twigs, as it enjoys in the moonlight to vibrate its sparkling song.
Each bird with a healthy voice prepares to sing. The frog too makes an effort along the fountain, and the owl with his owless,
if he can't do anything else, grumbles.
These simple creatures made out of love, their joy follows the easy path, while ours is shaky.
Because we deceive as much as we can, so that each of us screws up.
Screws up, darling, each of us.
The rogue with a sharp tongue, who gives advice to a thief, with her deceitful lies overthrows and destroys, which is why I can't find a love that is safe and without rust.
Youth is treacherous and mocking, and largesse is tortoise. It is known as a sure thing that valor teeters, and malice becomes sovereign, both mother and daughter. Mother and daughter. Mother and daughter.
A love that teases is worse than whoring. It is cruel, burning, and traitorous, too hot and too cold, which is why he gets great ills and jaundice, who is curried by it. People quivering in senseless crime turn in the end their broom towards Khorasan, for a baptism in the Jordan harms and imperils them.